that East Coast motherfucker. Call me Mr. East Coast motherfucker. Run it up, 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 run it up. Fuck that shit, we can turn till the sun is up. All of you niggas get burnt when the gun is up. This that East Coast motherfucker. Call me Mr. East Coast motherfucker. This that ground zero music, sit and listen to it. This the children of the sewer finally winning music. This confessions of a Lord, I've been sending music. The rap book is my Bible, just repenting through it. I jump in the whip and say, ooh, it's my shit, and I tell them to turn it up. Jump in the pit and start marching the shit, and I tell them to burn it up. This is Mr. Trap Lord, I'ma go into the sun is up. Run it up, 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 fuck it up. Run it up, 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 run it up. Fuck that shit, we can turn till the sun is up. All of you niggas get burnt when the gun is up. This that East Coast motherfucker. Call me Mr. East Coast motherfucker. Run it up, run it up, run it up.
So you guys, real quick, what I did was I just put some of this Ion Cool Blonde toning shampoo or whatever. I put this in this hot water. So this is hot water from my sink. I didn't boil it or anything. I have my unit here, and I'm just gonna dip my wig in here just like how you do with the hot water method when you color hair. I'm gonna be doing that same thing with this unit. And now, as you guys can see, this unit does have a little bit of brown color or something like that on it. Kind of just dip it in like, oops. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. I didn't want to bring my tripod over here. But yeah, so I'm just going to dip this in here and just kind of wash the hair in this bowl. So I'm going to do that, and then I will show you guys the end results later. But this is pretty much what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to dip it, and then I'm going to actually start using both of my hands to get that washed. Like actually kind of wash the hair in this bowl. So once I finish actually washing the hair, I'm going to put more shampoo and pretty much just let this hair sit in here for about 30 minutes to an hour. The longer the better, honestly. So for me, I like to put mine in there for an hour, but you don't have to put it in that long. That's just my preference.
This that East Coast motherfucker. Call me Mr. East Coast motherfucker. Run it up, 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 run it up. Fuck that shit, we can turn till the sun is up. All of you niggas get burnt when the gun is up. This that East Coast motherfucker. Call me Mr. East Coast motherfucker. Then I do the center, throw a nigga off the bill and I kill him, they'll never find out. Fuck what you feeling, trap low in the building with the lords and they with it right now. Pull up with them niggas like Scott and I'm murking them, see the Batman coming. Dump if a nigga say dump in the pump, had the best of the bad boys running. Jump if you ready to fuck this shit up and get nuck if you fuck if you thug it. Jump if you ready to fucking pick up cause he cut a nigga up for nothing. There's some children that'll hold a thing and then let it bang cause you front. Jump cause I'm feeling like I'm the illest nigga, I'm the trillest and I love it. Push the beans like it's nothing. Sachi layers like it's nothing. Fucking tears like it's nothing. Fuck a friend like it's nothing. Bitches with it like it's nothing. Set them titties like it's nothing. Make the model like it's now. Type of model like it's now. Run it up, 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 run it up. Fuck that shit, we can turn till the sun is up. All of you niggas get burnt when the gun is up. This that East Coast motherfucker. Call me Mr. East Coast motherfucker. Run it up, 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 run it up.
Hotel party, let's bring the liquor. It's already 8 shorties. I'm on
as a holiday ends. Me and my peeps, won't you bring 4 of your friends? Feel on each other and step on some hand. One thing leading to another, let the party begin.
Nothing chillin' at the holiday end. Me and my peeps, won't you bring 4 of your friends? Feel on each other and step on some hand. One thing leading to another, let the party begin.
My shoulder, I was the hold up. Man over, get the raps and roll up. I took a chick in the bathroom, seeing what's poppin'. You know what's on my mind, shirts off and panties dropping. Knocking on the door drunk, acting silly. The girl said, can I be in your video? I'm like, yeah, oh really? Now she naked strip teasing. Me, I'm just teasing. She gave me a reason to be a damn heathen. Handle that, Toto G, bring the camera. Then I thought about it, no footage as I ran her. Walked out the bathroom smiling, cat still wildin'. Jamming the next room with girls looking like they from a island.
Nothing chillin' as a holiday end. Me and my peeps, won't you bring 4 of your friends? Feel on each other and step on some hand. One thing leading to another, let the party begin.
Nothing chillin' at the holiday end. Me and my peeps, won't you bring 4 of your friends? Feel on each other and step on some hand. One thing leading to another, let the party begin.
My shoulder, I was the hold up. Man over, get the raps and roll up. My shoulder, I was the hold up. Man over, get the raps and roll up. My shoulder, I was the hold up. Man over, get the raps and roll up. My shoulder, I was the hold up.
I should've put you somewhere where no one could find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside you. I'm in that 80 and one of them, so this is different fire. I try to pay all your loans off and got me to drive. I had to stand you go to the city, you acting in front of her living this life. I should've moved your way too close before I copy all this hype. You wanna be my number 1, and I ain't like the main thing. I let you make my number 2, you barely made a second. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. Hey. Self-control has never been a thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a rock in it. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks in it. How the fuck you keep so many secrets? How you pouring vegan but still be filming me again? How the fuck you seen so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap with. I see it back in search, remember who took it first, and don't you forget it. That's you with, we ain't got back on the shit. I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. But you got desire. I know. Cause you got desire. I know. Cause you got desire. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Force getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got them. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja, deja.
Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like, man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my vision. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. You see me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Nah, 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 nah. When you walk out, nah, 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 nah. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work, 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 work. You see me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da, 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la, 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 la. When the girlfriend, my da, 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 da.
Don't be so quick to walk away. It's you wanna fuck your body. Please stay next to me. You don't have to mention. Walk away next to me. Let me fuck you to the break of day. Next to me. Got time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock you, girl. I'll have whatever you like.
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look, and I absolutely love the way that the curls came out. I absolutely love these curls. They look so beautiful. I did tone this hair so that it's not like that really like yellowy blonde. Now I will say this blonde on camera looks way lighter than what it is in person. On camera, especially with the studio lights, it's looking more like a white blonde, and it's not really that light, but it's not that yellow blonde either. So yeah, on camera it's giving very much so. Okay, if I tint my head a little bit you can see more, but yeah, I do like this hair. The only thing that I'm not a big fan of is the root color. The root color is okay, but I feel like it's like almost like that greenish brown. I don't know how to describe it. It's not a lot of it, so I had to take part of it to like make this little part right here so it doesn't just have blonde roots out of nowhere when the rest of it is brown. So that's like the main con that I have with this unit. It's just that I just wish that part was done a little bit better. I mean, obviously I could have went in and got like a darker brown, but I didn't want to chance it and then it looked, you know what I mean? So I was like, let me just leave it alone. Whatever it is that I receive, that's what I try to make do with, you know what I mean? Because if somebody else is getting this wig and I do all these other things to it and I change it too much, then it's gonna make the customer feel like, well, why should I buy it if I have to do all of that? You know what I mean? Like, don't nobody want to do a whole lot with their unit to make it work. Now, I did want to do this because I haven't done blonde hair in a really long time. I haven't done blonde hair like this in probably like 2 years or so. It's like the perfect density. Like, look how beautiful these curls came out. And I feel like this type of hair is the type of hair that will actually hold a curl for a while. I did use hairspray on my hair, just a FYI, but I feel like with or without hairspray, this is just one of those units like when you curl it, it's just gonna last. It's the texture of the hair. It's like certain hair textures hold better with curls. They just do. I don't know how, they just do. You would actually have more parting space if you did do a middle part with this unit. I don't have any parting space really on this side here. I try to make do. I try to make a side part, girl. It's just swooped and duped. That's what we're giving right now, okay? And if you were on the fence about getting this wig, honey, I'm just here to show you that you can make it work. It's all about just making it work for you. Now this unit, I want to say this is probably about like a 20-inch unit or so. I don't think it's anything longer than a 20. I don't think it's a 22. If it is a 22, it's like right there at 22. It's not like giving you nothing extra. But this is, you know, what the hair looks like when it's curled. But yeah, so this is about like a 20-inch unit. I want to say it's probably like 150% density. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's just the right amount of density. But I did just want to let you guys know that there is a current lace shortage, so that's why a lot of units are coming with like less and less lace, and that's why they're promoting the headband wigs and things like that, just because there is a lace shortage. So considering that, I will say that this is a decent unit. Definitely not something for everybody. I don't think everybody will be into this unit, but I think if you were looking into it and you wanted to see how it looked on a deeper complexion, well, here you have it. This is how I style my unit. I work with UNice a lot. I absolutely love their units. They do have really good quality hair, and I will say out of most of the companies that I work with, they have some of the best hair that I receive. Like, some blonde hair is literally like Barbie doll hair. It's trash. Like, if you put any type of heat to it, it might melt. You know, certain blonde wigs, you can't just trust any and everybody's blonde hair. But I will say that this is some really good quality blonde hair. Definitely worth looking into if you guys are looking for, you know, even birthday hair, because let's face it, everybody goes blonde on their birthday. I don't know what it is about blonde hair, but blonde hair and birthdays, they just go together like this. So yeah, if you're looking for a blonde unit that may work for you, then definitely check this out. And also, I do want to let you guys know that I did tone my hair using Ion Cool Blonde shampoo. That's what I used to get this color. If you guys were wondering how did I actually tone the hair, that's how I toned it. So yeah, this is the result. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.